to solve them. So here we have a third and a fourth. A third of an hour can be seen on a clock because we split this whole circle into 3 equal parts, and that gives us little cuts of 20 minutes each. Here is 1/3, 20 minutes, another third, excuse me, gives us 40 minutes, and another third brings us back to complete the circle. So 1/3, we can think of that as 20 minutes. And a fourth of an hour, we can split this circle into 4 pieces. Here, 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 and here. Right? 4 chunks. So that's 15 minutes each. So when we see a fourth, we can think of that as 15 minutes. 15 and 20 is 35. And we can write a little over half an hour, 35 out of 60. Okay, so and we can also reduce that in terms of twelfths, right? So we could say divide 35 by 5 and we get 7, and divide 60 by 5 and we get 12, so this is equals 7/12. Moving on, we have a half and 2/3. So again, 2/3 is 40 minutes, right? A half is half an hour, is 30 minutes. Add those up, we get 70 minutes. So we could say 70 out of 60. And again, we can reduce that to twelfths. We could say that, right, it's 14/12. We can keep reducing and get 7/6, but I'm going to stop there just to start bringing that connection between 60 and 12. Here we have 10 out of 60. That just means 10 minutes. Here they are, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 minutes out of 60. We can write that just as 10 minutes plus a half of an hour, which is just 30 minutes. That gives us 40 minutes, which is 40 out of 60, or 4 out of 6, right? Or 2 out of 3, because I want to highlight the thirds. Then moving on, we have a third and 25 out of 60, and then a fourth. So a third is a third of an hour, and just again to reinforce what we've been saying, that brings to 20 minutes. So 20 minutes plus here 25 minutes, plus a quarter of an hour, which is 15 minutes, gives us, well, this is 25 and 15 gives us 40, plus 20 is 60, that gives us 1 hour, 1 full hour. And then we have a sixth and a half. Well, a sixth, how do I talk? Oh, sorry. So a sixth, we want to find what goes into the hour 6 times, and that's 10 minutes, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So 1/6 of this hour of this circle is this piece right here, which is 10 minutes. So 1/6, 10 minutes plus a half of an hour, which is 30 minutes. That gives us 40 minutes, or 40 out of 60, or 4 out of 6, or 2 out of 3. And that's, I don't know, not writing right there, sorry. So now bringing all of this that we've started to highlight together, we have a sixth, which is 10 minutes, and a fourth, which is 15 minutes, can be thought of as 15 minutes, and a 12th. Well, a 12th, again, there are 12 equal pieces right here in the clock. And every piece, if we go from the 12 to the 1 to the 2, we're hopping 5 minutes. So every 12th is 5 minutes. So that brings us what? 30 minutes, or 1/2 of an hour. And again, we're just starting to connect these fractions to the clock to deal with these sums in an intuitive way. All right, hope that helped.